And welcome to break 2128 for the 2018-19 Upper Deck Clear Cut Hockey Auto Box. We want to thank everyone for getting into the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020 at 11:12 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:12 p.m. Central Time, and 8:12 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have E-Rock, 3 spots, MF, 3 spots, Fressa, 2, Dowlith, 2, Andro, 4, DB1, Jordan, 2, JM, 4, the Sid and G with 5 spots, CBD cards, 3 spots, my card bargain with 2 spots. So we're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. E-Rock is on top, my card bargain on the bottom. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has the Sid on top, Andro on the bottom. Looks good. The Sid, you have the Ducks. Down with the Coyotes, the Sid Bruins, CBD cards, Sabres, the Sid Flames, JM Hurricanes, Fressa Blackhawks, Andro Avalanche, Fressa Blue Jackets, JM Stars, CBD cards with the Red Wings, my card bargain with the Oilers, JM with the Panthers, E-Rock with the Kings, Wild, the Sid Canadians, Predators, Jordan with the Devils, Islanders, the Sid with the Rangers, JM with the Senators, CBD cards, Flyers, DB with the Penguins, Dow with the Blues, MF Sports with the Sharks, Andro Lightning, MF with the Maple Leafs, Andro Canucks, my card bargain Golden Knights, E-Rock Capitals, and Andro with the Winnipeg Jets. And here we are. Clear cut, all sealed up. Sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Good luck, everybody. Okay. Yeah, let's see who we have. And we have the Winnipeg Jets, Jacob Trouba, Black Diamond Auto. Very nice for Winnipeg and Jacob Trouba. Rookie Gem Auto. Jacob Trouba. Nice. Let's see who has the Winnipeg Jets. All the way down here at the bottom. Winnipeg Jets is going to Andro. 4874. Congrats, Andro, on the Jacob Trouba. Rookie Gems 2128 for the 2018-19 Upper Deck Clear Cut Hockey Auto Box. We want to thank everyone for getting into the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at p-sportscards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And right after that, we'll have break 2131 for the 2020 Gold Rush Baseball Vault Pack. Thanks.